Hello, and welcome to my Week 5 presentation on what environmental justice means to me. To myself, environmental justice is a movement that sheds light on the environmental injustices that all people, but especially marginalized communities, face and have faced for way too long. It is our duty as humans to ensure that every person, no matter their race, religion, or diversities, have access to clean water, clean air, and resources. For decades, people have been disproportionately affected by environmental injustices. According to The Nation, race is the most significant predictor of a person living near contaminated air, water, or soil. People of color have seen 95% of their claims against polluters denied, as well as being 2 times as likely to live without potable water or modern sanitation. These statistics are the reason that environmental justice is so important and such a poignant issue to cover. Global capitalism is a huge demise of environmental justice. Between overconsumption, the use of fossil fuels, and destruction of habitats, there is so much room for error when it comes to justice. Unsustainable practices exacerbate the vulnerability of those with less resources, whom are already likely to be disproportionately affected. When profit surpasses planet, it is our duty to speak up and advocate for those who cannot. It is so important to me to discuss these problems and become a part of the solution. Thank you.